Hello and welcome to DoodleMcDoo, to our 50p coin hunt. And here we have our bag of 50 pence coins. And this time, they're from Santander, like the £2 coins from last week. So, fingers crossed that they are that they're a bit better this time round than the £2 coins. So, let's dig into these, see what we got. Okay, and as standard Santander procedure, then we have stapled bags. So, oh God, look at the state of the coins. What's going on with the coins at the moment? They just seem to be, oh dear golly gosh. It's like those ones we found before that were all dug up. Look at the state of it. That's just horrible. So, all of these, as you can see so far, they're all Shields and Britannias. They are the two first definitives in these this size 50 pence coin. Oh dear, that's a bad sign, isn't it? All and you can get some low mintage years. There are some half decent ones. To be honest, I just want to get the commemoratives. I want to try and get all the commemoratives and fill up the book, as it were. Try and get one of each, at least one of each, in a year. But it's it's getting hard. We're over the halfway mark, and there's lots of rare ones to go. I doubt we're going to find things like our salmon and our Kew Gardens. I'll let us off those. But finding all those Olympics, there's so many of them. But all it takes is one lucky hand. Ooh. And we could get loads of them. Ooh. Here we go, our first commemorative. It is the Victoria Cross medals. Very nice one, good condition one. 2006, pop you there. Well, at least we have a commemorative. That's a good start. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Multiples, we've got our first double. Another Victoria Cross medals. And then it was Mrs. Tiggywinkle. Start the Beatrix Potters up. Oh, good lord. This has got to be one of those bags where they've found all the pretty ones and stuck them in one bag. So we've got 3 dictionaries. Oh God, a treble instantly. This is bringing back horrible memories of that £2 coin hunt from last week. Hopefully there'll be more. Otherwise we'll have to put the rule in place. No more Santander coins. It's not from that branch. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, let's try again. Another hand. Ooh, just a really grimy one. Right, let's try again. We're hoping for a nice Olympic to arrive. That would be wonderful. Ooh. Oh, some good shiny ones. Oh no. Oh no, don't be another horrible duff bag. We don't want horrible duff ones. Oh dear. We haven't had horrible duff ones for a while. This has been, we've had some really good ones. So we'll, well, as I record this, I still don't know, because it was in the last video, I think, I asked if people would like to basically purchase, if they would like to have them, some of the really old grotty ones, or some of the old 50p's. There's some, if you watch the episode, there's some good discoloured ones in there. And they've picked up a real proper sort of almost like that. You know when you get oil and it kind of gets all the colours mixed onto it? It's a bit like that. They're really quite fancy. Oh my word. Ooh. But if anyone would like to get them, let me know in the comments and we'll look at building a site, see if we get something, and it'll just be like a postage, a nominal kind of whatever to cover that sort of thing. And get yourself a DoodleMcDoo found coin. Ooh. That's if he can find any more coins now. Look at that, look at this. A sea of definitives. Oh my word. Holy moly. For us to find a commemorative, we had to find a Benjamin Bunny. Blimey. Almost forgot what a commemorative looked like then. Right, we're trying to up our finds from a Benjamin Bunny. I'm very sorry here, boys and girls. This could be a very boring video if all we find is fistfuls of duff. Right. Oh, especially when lots of these are so shiny. I wonder if they're 2020 shields. Oh, come back. Got Britannia trying to run away. Oh. Although I think if it's this boring, I don't know if Editor Dave will have fast forwarded for you. Oh my word. Oh, it's getting a bit repetitive, this bit, isn't it? It's hopefully you guys have been doing better than me. Oh, another one like that is... I'm sure someone's going around with a metal detector finding all of them all. And then sticking them in like cleaning machines, because they feel kind of worn all over. A bit like they've been sandblasted. It's a commemorative. It's a dictionaries. Oh, have we got dictionary? We have. Oh my word, we've got 4 dictionaries now. That's ridiculous. Oh, ew. Yeah, lots of these. Like these ones here, they all feel like they've must have been like through some form of cleaner. Almost like he found them at the in a field somewhere, and he's cleaned them up. Oh dear. Right, we're trying to now find better than a dictionary. Can we up on a dictionary? No, no, and no. Look at the state of that. That's horrible. Where do these ones come from? Epsom, wasn't it? It said on the thing. What is going on to the coins in Epsom? Look at that. Look, I reckon that has been found somewhere in a field. You can see where it's all sort of scraped and battered. And it feels powdery. Like that one. Oh dear. Can't keep hold of the coins sliding out my hand. Okay. Oh. just please be something. Be something. Just one Olympic just hidden in a bag somewhere. Go on. Oh, please. All we ask. No more of this rubbish. Ooh. A commemorative. It's Diversity Built Britain. A rather nice shiny ones. That one clearly didn't go through the sandblaster like the rest of the other took that we've been finding. That was a lot of work to find a diversity. Oh look, there's a right grimy what's it in there. Oh, loads of grimy ones. Oh. Oh, there's a shield. Oh. What we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a bit of a slog, this one, isn't it? Let's keep at it, though, because you never know what you can find in these coins. Because someone could have dropped in a load of them into the bank to be paid in. And there could be one person that has just paid in. Ooh, come back here, you. Has gone to pay in a nice Olympic waiting to be found. Just not in that bag. Not in that bag, but there's 5 more where it could be hidden. Right. blimey, another double of diversity. There we go. Not quite the Olympic we're looking for, but it's closer than a Britannia or a Shield. He says, trying to justify it. Okay. God. Throwing them everywhere. No. Well, that was disappointing. Right, last three. Dear. Well, thank you very much, everyone, for putting up for this. If you've watched all the way through so far. If you skip through and you come to now, I don't blame you. It's not been the most exciting hunt at all, has it? Oh, God. There's just so many of these running around. So that we found them in Lloyd's, and now Santander. Oh my God, they feel revolting. I'm sure someone has been going over with a metal detector over a farmer's field somewhere, found a bunch of coins. Oh. I wonder if it's like there's a few car boot sales, big ones that go in fields around Epsom Way. I wonder if those are just coins that people have dropped there in the. Could well be. Right. Will there be anything in this one? I'm just slowly falling asleep. Absolutely squaddlied it. Right, which brings us to the last bag. Now, I seriously doubt there's going to be anything in this. But you never know. Let's all pray up there that we're not duffers on the last. And what we find is a nice shiny Olympic. Oh no, look, it's another grotty one. That does not bode well. Well, another one. Oh, that's been eaten by the dog. Jeez, what is the size? It's bent, worn and battered and bruised. Oh, they feel disgusting. Last two. Oh. Well, you know what? If you put up with that the whole way through, my word, you deserve a medal. Thank you very much. What would you pick as your pick of the bunch? You know what? Just because we haven't really seen him that often, which surprises me in itself, I'm going to go with Mr. Bunny here. Mr. Benjamin Bunny. Sadly, no rotation on him, but my goodness. Hopefully, better to come. Hopefully, I'm then due to pick up some more coins. Well, I'm hoping for more Voltex. Keep your fingers crossed, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.